The berry combo in this berry banana smoothie provides vital nutrients necessary for healthy hair, skin, and nails, as well as an enduring energy boost. This low-calorie smoothie is deep purple in color and is one of the most popular blends out there. The fruit in this recipe offers a multitude of nutritional benefits, including a healthy dose of B and C vitamins. Blending a banana into the berry drink adds fiber, potassium, and enough density to satisfy an after-workout appetite. The low-fat yogurt delivers a generous dose of both calcium and probiotic bacteria to support a well-functioning digestive system. Here's what you need to whip up this single-serving recipe. 1/8 cup milk. Half cup plain yogurt. 1 whole banana. Half cup frozen strawberries. Half cup frozen blueberries. Cinnamon, to taste. Pour milk onto the blades of the blender, followed by the yogurt. Add the peeled banana, then blend the mixture. Once the banana is completely blended, add the frozen berries, as well as the cinnamon. When trying to use smoothies to drop weight, always remember that liquid calories count. Fresh fruit drinks can serve as an amazing weight loss tool, but if you're eating a full lunch, as well as a 200 to 300 calorie drink on the side, you're likely looking at taking in more calories than you ought to in order to create a caloric deficit. If you're going to drink a lot of smoothies while trying to lose weight, use them as a meal replacement with a small snack or healthy source of fat on the side. The fat source is not a detail that should be overlooked. Without it, a meal will not stave off your hunger for very long. One example of a recipe that has the hunger-fighting fat component built in is the strawberry avocado smoothie. It's a superfood that tastes like a dessert but is high in fiber and heart-healthy fat. Nutrition information: calories, 265 total fat, 3.8 grams saturated fat, 1.8 grams cholesterol, 9.8 milligrams sodium, 109.8 milligrams potassium, 927.9 milligrams total carbohydrate, 49.6 grams dietary fiber, 6.2 grams sugars, 34.2 grams protein, 9.8 grams. Thanks for watching.